They're working well. Oh my!
Look out! Darcinian down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet. In terrible
cut for Donaire. Another counter punch. The left hook upstairs, and there goes Arce to the canvas on a quick short. Our fans seem to want this fight, and here's Donaire looking for the knockout, and Arce's down again. Second knockdown of the fight for Nonito Donaire.
This round.
Good right hand by Donaire. And another left uppercut.
Oh.
And down goes Arce at the knockout.
Yeah, then you see him lean to the left, just a little bit of a dip right there. Come with a beautiful left hook, a signature punch of Donaire's. He has one of the best left hooks in the business today. When he hits him with that, it's usually lights out.
I agree, this is his best punch, his counter left hook. He does it as well as anyone.
Well, actually, this was a lead left hook.
This is a lead left hook,
This wasn't even a counter, but I think he has one of the better left hooks in the business today.
Right, he can knock you out with either the lead or the counter. Arce just dropping his right hand and providing the target. What a shot.
Right hand. Oh! A beautiful left uppercut, and it sends Marquez down.
4, 5. And there's always. Oh, the left hook on the chin, and down goes Martinez again. Down goes Martinez for a second time. Away. Left hand, down goes.
It's cold outside.
Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka supposed to do around the... Oh, down goes...
There, but Nonito able to slip it.
Kind of stopped himself. Right.
Look at that. Vargas that round. Oh, just kidding.
For 12 from Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas.
Down goes Martillo. Down goes Martillo.
Well, that was after he got back up and he was completely like he's like that, you know.
That is a solid. When you look at reaction, his body twitching, and he looked right over at me, over here, like right there, looking our direction. I could tell that there was nobody home. The lights, the eyes were roaming back.
Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating ngayon matutunghayan ang 10 knock-on wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kung si Nonito Donaire. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, ay huwag mo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload. Tulad nito, maraming salamat po. 1. Una sa listahan ay laban niya kay Hernan Marquez noong July 10, 2010 na kung saan natikman ng kalaban ni Donaire ang malalakas na mga suntok mula sa ating bida. Atin tunghayang kung paano nga ba pinangat ang paa sa luna ang kanyang kabakbakan nang tamaan ito ng isang solidong uppercut ng ating bida.
So he goes back to fighting orthodox. But right now he is showing why a fighter like Marquez is not quite a match for him. Marquez takes another left hook. Nonito Donaire. Good to see him, flyweight world champion, his brother Jerry. We're going to talk later about has been a great and has certainly helped him a lot with Donaire now building a big...
It switched over in the 5th and immediately recorded a knock. Since that 5th round knockdown, he's taken his time, worked on, used his jab, not in a rush. There's a straight right hand landing. Left hook right hand. Oh, a beautiful left uppercut, and it sends Marquez down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catherine. No. Acabó.
And it's over.
2.
Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay laban niya kay Raul Martinez noon April 19, 2009 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malamasong kamao mula kay Donaire. Atin tunghayang kung paano nga ba 5 beses pinabagsak ng ating bida itong kontrabida sa ibabaw ng lona.
Got hit again. Down goes Martinez for a second time. So we'll see if Martinez can react with the power.
Moments where he looked a bit sluggish, but the problem is
the left hand again. There's the power. Martinez just staggered. He's in big trouble. He's trying to stay away. Left hand, down goes Martinez again. For a guy that's undefeated coming in to be manhandled.
Big punch to push Donaire off it.
Down to the body goes Donaire.
And the counter punch.
There's the uppercut.
3.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay laban niya kay Toshiaki Noshiyaka noong October 13, 2012 na kung saan pinaulan ito ng kaliwat kanan suntok mula sa ating bida. Atin tunghayang paano nga ba inawat na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
All the weapons and all the tools and all the speed, but frustrated and make a mistake where I can counter it.
Exactly. It's cold outside.
Nishioka down. Short shot inside. Donaire steps in.
There it is again.
Trying to finish it. Right hand over the top. Straight right. Nishioka. Left hand to the body by Donaire. Scores. That one was blocked. Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka likes to do around the
Oh, down goes Nishioka from a counter shot. Coming into this fight, you've been down 3 times.
4.
Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay laban niya kay William Prado noong March 28, 2015 na kung saan pinaulanan ni Donaire ng malalakas na suntok ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba inawat na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kanyang kalaban.
Grabe dugo. Ay, inawat na oh.
Ang ating panlima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Anthony Sitol noong July 18, 2015 na kung saan inatake ito ni Donaire ng malamasong kamao ang kanyang kalaban. Atin tunghayan kung paano nga ba 3 bisis pinadapo sa ibabaw ng lona ang kanyang kabakbakan.
Something caught him to the my far left, and it looked like a right hand. And these body shots in the area of liver taking a toll as well on Satul.
Three, 4, 5, 6,
and 7, and 8. He's back up, and it's just about out of time in this round.
Okay, box time.
There's the bell. So Tool will get his jab out there, but Nonito able to slip it. For the 3rd time in the fight.
3,
It's up to 3,
4,
and 4,
5,
5. Will he be able to get up? 6, 7, and he's back up at 8. So down that time by a right hand.
6.
Ang ating pang-anim sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay George Arce noong December 15, 2012 na kung saan pinaulan ito ng malamasong suntok ng ating bida. Atin tungayan kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo upang ipagpatuloy pa ang laban matapos itong tamaan ng isang solidong pamatay na kaliwa ng ating pambato.
Donaire. And another left uppercut. And down goes Arce on a brilliant left hook. And that just might be that. And it is. Referee look. Now 3 looks at the knockout.
Yeah, then you see him lean to the left, just a little bit of a dip right there, come with a beautiful left hook, a signature punch of Donaire's. He has one of the best left hooks in the business today. When he hits him with that, it's usually lights out.
I agree, this is his best punch, his counter left hook. He does it as well as anyone.
Well, actually, this was a lead left
This
hook.
is a lead left hook,
This wasn't even a counter, but I think he has one of the better left hooks in the business today.
Well, exactly right. He can knock you out with either the lead or the counter. Arce just dropping his right hand and providing the target. What a shot.
Wow.
7.
Ang ating pampito sa listahan ay laban niya kay Vic Dargenia noong July 7, 2007 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malamasong suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba parang tinuklaw na kubra matapos itong tamaan ang pamatay ng ating pambato ng Pilipinas.
They are two different kinds of fighters. Glenn Donaire could pay dividends later in the fight. Donaire thinks he'll own the later rounds. In his last 12-round fight, Donaire against Oscar Andrade won the last 3 rounds dramatically to win that. Working well. Oh, my God! Dargenia down for the first time! Struggling to get to his feet in terrible sequence.
8.
Ang ating pangwalo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Manuel Vargas noong February 13, 2010 na kung saan ginamitan ito ng malamanok na style ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga pinahiga sa luna itong kanyang katunggali.
Just kidding.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All roundhouse shots from Vargas. Oh, and that's a bad move according to CompuBox. Look at that.
And I gave Vargas that round. Oh, just kidding.
9.
Ang ating pansiyam sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Fernando Montiel noong February 11, 2011 na kung saan pinadama ng ating bida ang kanyang bilis at malalakas na mga kamao. Ating tunghayang panuurin at paano nga ba nangisay sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kalaban nang ito'y tamaan ng solidong pamatay na kaliwa.
They're telling Donaire, take his time.
Well, Fernando's not showing a lot of movement, is he?
No, he's not. He's flat-footed.
He's just kind of standing there trying to measure him out. And
he's standing right in front of him. That's why he got caught with that big 1-2 right now. The big right hand by Donaire, but he took it pretty, he just shook it off. And
he might have a specific strategy to see what Donaire's got. But I expect it to start here. He's starting to animate a little bit more, isn't he? Starting to move that head, starting to get good movement. Because Fernando's got to work the ankles and get to the body. That's what he specializes in.
Yeah, keep pivoting. We keep turning him around, but so far he hasn't even been able to find his distance. He can't find Donaire. He can't deal with the speed. You just can't find him. Donaire's moving in and out, in and out.
He hasn't found him yet. But Donaire's like an explosive going off. When he gets ready to fire, it's just big bang. Good left hand work right there by Montiel.
That's the first, you can say that's the first solid combination he caught him with that jab and that little hook. There you go.
Counter, good counter right there to the body. You got great skill in there tonight, guys. As good as it gets. 1 minute left, round number 2 scheduled for 12 from Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas.
Oh, what? Down goes Montiel. Down goes Montiel. He's not getting up.
He's not getting up.
He's not getting up. He's not getting up.
That's it.
He's not getting up.
He said he's okay. He's going to let him go. He's going to try. No, he's looking for the big one.
Russell Mora.
No, it's it again. That was after he got back shot like that, you know, because
is solid. When you look at reaction, his body twitching, and he looked right over at me over here, like right there, but he had no way to continue. I think that was just instinct that got him off that mat, don't you think?
10.
Ang ating pang-sampu o panghuli sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Bulandirmar Sidorinko noong April 12, 2010 na kung saan inatake ni Donaire ang pagmumuka ang kanyang katunggali. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba sinira ni Donaire ang pagmumuka ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng luna nang tamaan itong masulido ng kanyang kaliwa.
Trying to come back. Donaire with the time. He's done. Yeah, and he should finish the job. Left hook. And that left hook is his most powerful, but he strung some right hands together, not punching himself out. Vladimir Sidorenko is. I mean, those are the shots that are actually being landed on top.
Each time he got hit hard, you could see the right leg.
I mean,
I'm glad you said that. This is a round judges should score 10-8.
But it may be a move. And he's hurt again. He got hurt again. Right hand. Second round, all no need. I haven't seen him throw his right hand at all, but good. Now he is. Oh, a right followed by a left.
Be an excellent pass. His intentions are bad.
He's before this fight, and I'm glad he's carrying it out. But Donaire now, I would say, most safely of his opponent.
Selma Moreno.
Oh, good.
Boy, he's seen that's the punch that actually hurt him. So that he's on the right hand right now. Kind of stopped himself right there.
Strides the Ukrainian.
I think that's enough. That is enough, folks.
That's it.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kundi si Nonito Donaire. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa performance pinakita ng ating bida sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.